Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to boost up your mic on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you'd like to do is just go and open your PC that contains the Windows 11. Of course, if you're a Windows 10 user and you would like to go into Windows 11 or upgrade into Windows 11, you can just go into your settings and upgrade it into it right now and for free. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any personal files, any documents, or any apps from your PC, so don't worry about this one. And of course, you can run the installation or the download into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. Of course, once the download or the installation is finished, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you will find yourself with a Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want if you may be facing some issues, which is not most likely to happen, or if you just like the Windows 10. But I bet when you get used to Windows 11, you'll like it as much or even more. So as we said in the beginning of the video is we would like to boost our microphone on Windows 11. So of course if you want to do that we can just go and open the start app here, options of course, and simply type sounds and make sure to open this change system sounds. Once you click on it, of course you would like to go into your recording and make sure to notify your mic. You can just go into your mic and start talking on it as you can see right now. And this green like lights is going up and down. That means that's the mic that I'm using. Of course, for me, I'm just going now. Go into the privacies with left click and click at properties, or you can just go and right click and click at properties. Once you are here, make sure to go into this levels, and if your microphone is actually low here, as you can see, my voice will start being low. You can just go and put it up. And of course, if you want to boost it even more, you can use this boost and boost it however you want. So I'm not going to do that, so it's not gonna be annoying for you. And that will be it. Of course, you can just go and apply your settings once you've finished and click as OK, and then apply again, click as OK, you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.